students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Maths Teachers Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Students, today I am going to discuss very important theorem of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so by Pythagoras theorem, what is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem, in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse, in the right triangle, the opposite side of the 90 degree, is called the hypotenuse. So the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. Okay, so first of all we draw a diagram, a triangle A B C. Angle B is 90 degree. Okay, so in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse, so AC is the hypotenuse, AB is the perpendicular, and BC is the base. Okay, the opposite side of the 90 degree, in a right triangle, the opposite side of the 90 degree is called the hypotenuse. Okay, so the square of the hypotenuse, it means AC square is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. So AB square plus BC square, right? Prove it. Okay, students, let's start. Given a triangle ABC, in which angle B equal to 90 degree. A triangle ABC in which angle B equal to 90 degree. To prove that AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, to prove that AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. A square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides of a right angled triangle. Okay, so students, we draw a perpendicular BD. Okay, we draw a perpendicular BD to AC. So construction, draw BD is perpendicular to AC. Okay, BD is perpendicular to AC, and let's start proof. In triangle ADB and triangle ABC. Okay, so angle ADB equal to angle ABC. Angle ABC equal to 90 degree. Students, angle ADB equal to angle ABC equal to 90 degree. So students, in triangle ADB is the right angle triangle, and angle ADB is 90 degree. Okay, so in triangle ADB, angle ADB is 90 degree, and in triangle ABC, big triangle ABC, at angle B is 90 degree. So angle ABC equal to 90 degree, each equal to 90 degree, and angle A equal to angle A. Angle A present in right triangle ADB. Okay, angle A is present in right triangle ADB. Okay, and angle A is also present in right triangle ABC. Okay, so angle A equal to angle A is common. Then we say that two corresponding angles are equal in both triangles, then both triangles are similar. Angle similarity. Okay, so triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. Okay, angle similarity. Okay students, so if triangle ABD is similar to triangle ABC, then the corresponding side, the ratio of the corresponding sides of both triangles are proportional. So we write ki AD by AB equal to AB by AC. AB by AC. Okay? The ratio of the corresponding sides of both triangles are proportional. And then write by cross multiplication. So AD multiply AC equal to AB square. Equation first. Again students, in a small right angle triangle BDC, in triangle BDC and triangle ABC. Okay, so angle BDC equal to 90 degree equal to angle ABC equal to 90 degree. Each angle is 90 degree. Okay, and angle C is common. Angle C present in triangle in right triangle BDC. Angle C present in right triangle BDC, and angle C is also present in right triangle ABC. So angle C equal to angle C is common. Okay, so two corresponding angles are equal. Then we write triangle BDC is similar. We write triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. So angle similarity. Okay. A triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC is angle similarity. And we know that if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the corresponding sides are proportional. So we write DC by BC equal to BC by AC. Okay, DC by BC and BC by AC, right? So by cross multiplication, DC multiply AC equal to BC square. Equation 2. Now from equation 1 and 2 we get, okay, so AD multiply AC plus DC multiply AC, okay, equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, and AD into AC and DC into AC. AC present in both terms. So AC is common. Then rest is AD or plus DC equal to AB square plus BC square. So students, AC multiply AD plus DC. AD plus DC equal to AC. So AC multiply AC equal to AB square plus BC square. This implies AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, thanks. Now next theorem is converse of Pythagoras theorem. Theorem number 2. In a triangle, if the square of one side is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. A triangle ABC in which if the square of one side AC, first side is AC, a square of one side is equal to AC square equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Sum of the square of other two sides. It means AB square plus BC square. Okay. In a triangle ABC, then the angle opposite to the first side. Student, first side is AC. Okay. So opposite to the first side is a right angle. So the angle opposite to the first side is right angle. So given a triangle ABC, in which AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. To prove that angle B equal to 90 degree. Okay. Construction. Draw a triangle DEF. Such that DE equal to AB and EF equal to BC and angle E equal to 90 degree. Okay. So draw a triangle DEF such that DE equal to AB and EF equal to BC and angle E equal to 90 degree. अब स्टूडेंट्स कंस्ट्रक्शन की ड्रॉ ए ट्रायंगल DEF सच दैट इस प्रकार कि DE इक्वल टू AB इस प्रकार ड्रॉ किया गया कि DE जो साइड है वो AB साइड के इक्वल है. इस ट्रायंगल ABC में AB साइड के इक्वल है एंड EF इक्वल टू BC. इफ EF इक्वल टू BC यानी EF जो साइड है वो इस ट्रायंगल के BC के इक्वल है एंड एंगल E इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. प्रूव करना है कि इन ए ट्रायंगल ABC एंगल B इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट प्रूफ. In a triangle DEF, now in a triangle DEF DF square. DF is the hypotenuse because the opposite sides of right angle in a triangle DEF. So in a triangle DEF, angle E equal to 90 degree. Okay, so DF square equal to DE square plus EF square by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so DF square equal to DE square plus EF square. So DF square equal to DE equal to AB. So we put AB square plus EF equal to BC. So plus BC square. Equation first. DF square equal to AB square plus BC square. Equation first. But given AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. This is given equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2 we get, so students, RHS is equal AB square plus BC square, AB square plus BC square. So LHS is also equal. So we write कि AC square equal to DF square. Remove squaring on both sides. So AC equal to DF. Okay. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB equal to DE and BC equal to EF. BC equal to EF by construction. By construction. AB equal to DE and BC equal to EF by construction, and AC equal to DF. AC equal to DF from third. Okay, so triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF, fight. So triangle ABC is congruent triangle DEF, fight congruency. Okay, so triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF, then we write the angle B equal to angle E equal to 90 degree. Okay, so we prove कि hence angle B equal to 90 degree. Okay. Students, next I am going to discuss some important results based upon Pythagoras theorem. In a triangle ABC, AD is a triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC. So AD is perpendicular to BC. Prove that AB square plus CD square. It means AB square plus CD square equal to AC square plus BD square. AC square plus BD square. Okay. So first of given a triangle ABC in which AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. To prove that AB square plus CD square equal to AC square plus BD square. Okay, to prove that. Now proof. First of all, students, in right triangle ADB, in triangle ADB, in which angle D equal to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. AB square equal to AD square plus BD square by Pythagoras theorem. AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. Okay, so this imply AB square minus BD square, AB square minus BD square equal to AD square from equation first. Okay, so in triangle ADC, angle in which angle ADC equal to 90 degree. Okay, so by Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AD square plus CD square. AC square equal to AD square plus CD square. AC square equal to AD square plus CD square. So we write AC square minus CD square equal to AD square. Equation 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, we get RHS is equal ADF square and ADF square, then all LHF is also equal. So we write ABF square minus BDF square equal to ACF square minus CDF square. ACF square minus CDF square. Now we arrange AB square and minus CDF square plus CDF square, side change equal to ACF square and plus BD square. Hence proved. Next, theorem number 2, under some important results based upon the Pythagoras theorem. So in a triangle ABC in which angle A equal to 90 degree. So here angle A equal to 90 degree and AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. Prove that AD square equal to BD into CD. Okay. So given a triangle ABC in which angle A equal to 90 degree and AD into BC. To prove that AD square equal to BD into CD. AD square equal to BD into CD. Okay. So let's start proof. In right triangle ABC, in triangle ABC in which angle A equal to 90 degree. So we write कि BC square equal to AB square plus AC square. AB square plus AC square by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So in triangle BC square equal to AB square plus AC square by Pythagoras theorem. Now in triangle AD, angle ADB equal to 90 degree. Okay. So by Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. AD square plus BD square. So equation first, this is equation second. And now in triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, angle ADC equal to 90 degree. So AC square equal to AD square plus CD square. AD square plus CD square by Pythagoras theorem. So equation third. Okay. And from equation 2 and 3, AB square plus AC square, AB square plus AC square equal to AD square and AD square, 2AD square, 2AD square plus BD square plus CD square plus BD square plus CD square. Okay. This implies AB square plus AC square equal to BC square. From equation first, BC square equal to AB square plus AC square. So put the value of AB square plus AC square equal to BC square. So BC square equal to 2AD square plus BD square plus CD square. Okay, BC square equal to 2AD square plus BD square plus CD square from 1, equation 1. And now BC, it means BD plus CD. So BD plus CD का whole square. BD plus CD equal to DC. So BD plus CD का whole square equal to 2AD square plus BD square plus CD square. This implies A plus B का whole square. We factorize A plus B का whole square. So BD square plus CD square plus 2BD into CD, and A square plus B square plus 2AB equal to 2AD square plus BD square plus CD square. Okay, so BD square is cancel, CD square is cancel. Okay, so here 2AD square equal to 2BD into CD. 2 is cancel, hence AD square equal to BD into CD. Hence root. Okay.